Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So we're here in the botanic garden. We want to explore some plants, so we'll find a specific plant for you guys. So wait and see.
The birch tree is a deciduous tree known for its wide, peeling bark and serrated, simple leaves that turn yellow in autumn. Its flowers grow in catkins, long male catkins and small female ones that produce seeds. The thin stems support the tree and its shallow roots need moisture.
Guys, we found another type of birch. Family is Betulaceae. It is Betula jescumonti. This is a grown birch.
Birch trees have unique physiological adaptations that help them survive and thrive in various environments. So guys, the birch trees grow in moist areas such as alongside rivers or lakes. The birch trees grow in moist areas absorbing nutrients through a shallow root system. Their small, serrated leaves maximize photosynthesis, while the tree sheds leaves in autumn to conserve energy. In spring, sap flows actively for new growth.
The birch tree is a fast-growing, deciduous tree that thrives in temperate and boreal forests. It is easily recognizable by its distinctive bark, which often peels in thin, papery layers. Birch trees play a vital role in forest ecosystems, benefiting wildlife, soil, and overall biodiversity.
So as you can see inside here, we've got this opening. So it could, the same birch plants could also be beneficial to other organisms, living things, like let's say ants, birds also. They can fit in or they can live in. For example, ants, as you can see inside here.
Birch is used for wood, firewood, paper, medicine, birch syrup, tea, canoes, baskets, essential oils, and festivals. Its sap is drunk and its bark is crafted into art and tools.
The birch plant also houses various living organisms like ants, birds, and the like.